Welcome back to Aries Communication. Today we're covering the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max, a flagship built for power users, creators, and anyone who wants top-tier performance, an outstanding display, and long battery life. The Xiaomi 17 Pro Max features a premium glass and metal build with refined edges and durable glass protection. The large AMOLED display measures roughly 6.9 inches with an adaptive LTPO panel. Expect a sharp 1.5K resolution, pro-level color accuracy, and an adaptive refresh rate up to 120 Hz. Camera hardware is a headline feature. The 17 Pro Max uses a triple 50-megapixel camera array, a primary wide sensor, an ultra-wide, and a telephoto lens capable of meaningful optical zoom, typically around 5x optical on the telephoto. The front-facing camera is high-resolution as well, tuned for sharp selfies and stable video calls. Expect strong low-light performance, detailed long-range shots, and flexible video recording options up to 8K in many shooting modes. Under the hood, Xiaomi pairs the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 with up to 16 GB of RAM and fast UFS 4X storage. This combination delivers top-tier CPU and GPU performance for gaming, multitasking, and heavy creative workflows. Battery capacity on the 17 Pro Max is large, around 7,500 mAh in expected configurations, and charging is very fast. Wired charging approaches 100W speeds, while wireless charging sits in the high range as well. Connectivity includes 5G, Wi-Fi 7, the latest Bluetooth, and a robust set of sensors. Expect stereo speakers tuned for loud, balanced audio and advanced haptics. The device will ship with the latest Android base and a customized OS build focused on performance and battery optimization. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Aries Communication for more amazing tech and sound reviews every week.